Hi, I'm Greg Kirk. I'm lead singer of the band The Zen Engines. I'm a Lyme survivor, and I'm also the organizer of the Ticked Off Music Fest, which is a Lyme benefit concert series that kicked off last year on June 15th in Wilmington, Delaware. It featured 5 bands and speakers and activists from the Lyme community. Later on that year, I heard from Melissa Bell from the Florida Lyme Disease Association, and she told me of the challenges people were having in her area from misinformation and lack of awareness of Lyme disease. We both decided to combine our efforts of the Florida Lyme Disease Association and Ticked Off Music Fest to create the Lyme in the South Music Fest, which will kick off on Saturday, May 17th at River City Brewing Company at 835 Museum Circle in Jacksonville, Florida. It starts at 3 p.m. and the headliner is Pat Denizio of the Smithereens, Les Stroud of the Survivor Man TV series, Houston native Elisa Turner, who will be singing her song Breathing about her struggles with the disease, and me, Greg Kirk from the Zen Engines. Also appearing will be Katina Macris, author of Out of the Woods, Dr. Kerry Clark, and Dr. Shirley Hartman. Proceeds from the day's events will go to research efforts of Dr. Kerry Clark, the Florida Lyme Disease Association, and the Tick-Borne Disease Alliance. Please consider donating by clicking on the donate button on this website, or if you're watching this on YouTube, go to www.lymeinthesouth.com. Thank you, and we hope to see you out there on May 17th.
Hi, my name is Melissa Bell. I first became involved with Florida Lyme Disease Association because our own family has been profoundly impacted by this debilitating and sometimes deadly disease. Lyme disease has been described as a public health crisis, yet the risk is vastly underestimated in southern states. Parents of children in the South often do not know to take preventative measures to help protect their children. Likewise, doctors in the South often do not know how to recognize the diverse symptoms of Lyme disease, how to properly test, and to treat tick bites in order to prevent a more disseminated infection. We desperately need funds to help spread awareness and to fund research initiatives that will hopefully someday bring a cure to Lyme disease. We truly appreciate any donation, big or small. Thank you.
I want to say a special thanks to the Florida Lyme Disease Association and also to the Georgia and Alabama Lyme Disease Associations for their tremendous support. And I want to thank all of the human patients and other folks that have made private donations to our Research Foundation account. And I want to thank all the collaborating physicians and other healthcare providers and the veterinarians for working with us and helping us to get those samples over the years. And also want to really thank all the human patients that have provided us all these samples. And without you, there's no way that we could do this work. But working together, we are obtaining some significant evidence that is going to change this landscape of tick-borne disease risk, and we're going to improve the diagnosis and treatment for Lyme disease across the southern states. And so I'm very enthusiastic about what we're doing and what we're going to obtain in terms of evidence in the coming years. And so I just want to say I appreciate all the help that we've gotten from all of you, and I look forward to working with you in the future.